Hey, welcome to Amazing Funnel. This is the channel where we're going to talk about sales funnels and also different ways that you can put more money in your pocket. So today's video is about Pagemaker. So Pagemaker is a landing page software that will allow you to create mobile optimized landing pages in minutes, and all of that without a single line of code. So I came across this software when I was in a Amazon group, and this was recommended by one of a very influential person in the Amazon space. So I thought, you know what, let's have a look and let's see what Seth and his buddies have created. So they have spent the last 2 years creating this software and working very closely with Amazon sellers. So I can guarantee you that this tool has been thought with Amazon seller in mind mostly, so that you can kind of like take yourself out of the Amazon platform and start getting customer data, so you can start growing your online presence. So the tool itself is very good. It's mobile. It's thought to be mobile first, so meaning that all the design are looking incredible on mobile versus desktop. They still look good on desktop. It's just that because most of the traffic comes from mobile, they have put an accent to this. So at the time of this recording in August, we have you can find about 40 different templates that you can use. There are about 350 different sections between headers, hero sections, product categories and stuff, as well as a few 100 editing options. So you have plenty of choice when it comes to creating your landing page. Now let's have a look at the pricing, which will please more than one person watching this video. Let's have a look at the monthly price. So it all starts with the free pricing plan, which includes 5 campaigns, which actually means 5 landing pages. You can connect one domain and you have unlimited traffic and templates. So other platforms will give you access to only like a handful of templates and will kind of limit you to how many visitors you can have on your pages. And PageMaker make it very easy. You can have as many visitors as you want, and you can have access to all the templates that they create. Now the pro version is $25 a month if you pay monthly. If you pay yearly, it's only $20. You have the ability to create 15 different landing pages. You can connect 5 different custom domains, so you have enough choice whether you want your landing pages to be for different brands, or whether you want to have everything like the same brand on your account. And obviously there's an agency package for people like me who work with clients and create landing pages for them. So as you can see, there is quite a large amount of landing pages that you can have and number of custom domain. So I am going to quickly tell you who I think this is for and who I think it doesn't target as an audience. So I would say any e-commerce business owner who wants to create a landing page to either advertise for a product, who want to create like a landing page where you collect email address in exchange for an ebook, a coupon code or something. This is very good for you. Also for people who are not very tech savvy and everything, this is perfect because everything is done so that you have very little manipulation to do with the code and all of that. Now, for those who are a little bit more hands-on when it comes to developing pages, web pages, landing pages, funnels, I can tell you that you might be a little bit frustrated with the current version. This might be changing in the near future, only because the sections that are created, you are not able to move elements around. You are not in this drag and drop environment when you can select just one piece, one element, but you have to select the whole section. I will talk to you about it a bit more when we get into details inside of this software. So yeah, just wanted to address this quickly. Now let's just log in into the account. So when you log into the account, you have two different, I would say, sections. The first one being landing pages, and the second one is Amazon pages. Landing page is basically if you want to create like a plain landing page for your business, and Amazon pages will allow you to take a Amazon URL, product URL, and like create content based on this URL. We'll have a look at it in another video. I just want to give you a quick overview. So let's have a look at a landing page so you can see the inside of the, what it looks like when you create a landing page. So as I don't know if I mentioned, but the building a page works with modules. So it's kind of like Lego, where you have, let's have a look here. As you can see on the left, you have like Jean, Jeannette, Jose, Arthur, and all of that. Those are different sections. So this is a header section, which basically is this whole first section. Then you have Janet, which should be this section. That's how, yeah. So when you want to create a landing page, you can either create it based on a template, or you can create it from scratch. When you create it from a template, like we have, so let me just show you the template. Everything is already pre-populated in a highly converting, not convertible, it's not the car, structure, and so you don't really have to fiddle around the page so much, right? Now, if we were to change this to from scratch, you will basically have to select each section that you want to have on your page and update it with your details. So add a module. So let's say we want to start the page with an announcing bar. Then we want to add another module. We want to have a hero. So as you can see, there is plenty of choice. Let's go to page 4 for this example. Let's say you sell smart bands, right? So here you can add this section here, and we want to add a where is that one? Feature here. Blah blah. I think it's on page 2. This one. We'll find one. Okay, let's add this one. Obviously, you will have to change the text and the icons and everything to match your brand, but it's just want to show you very quickly how you can add the here we are. So you see it's fairly quick to put a page together. The only thing then what you have to do is go and change each of the image change the text and the colors. So for this background, I want it to be white. Here we are. And then if I want to take this card, I want the background to be, let's say, purple. Well, you can change all. Oh yes, one of the good thing about this software that you don't find so much in website builder is the fact that you can do group editing. So as we have just seen now, I've changed the color to purple and you change all those colors. But now I have selected the one in the middle and I want only this one to be purple. Then all of them, like only this one would change the color. Just to show you how you would change the text. It's pretty, what is white? There you go. So it's fairly easy to use. If I save and then preview, you will see it works very good on desktop. And if we do here, if we do on mobile, iPhone 6, let's just reload. There you go. Don't worry about the lag, it's just that it's my computer being a bit slow. But as you can see, it's very well presented. The layout change depending on the device that is used. This is for iPad Pro, and you see it's very good, very well put together. So this was this. Now let me show you. So you are able to change, obviously, when you have a brand, you want your page to match your color brand, so you can change the color here. So let's say your color has this, your brand has this color, FFA 400, okay. And here we have, okay, you have orange and blue. When you update, normally your page should update. Let's have a look if we do it here. Not yet. So you have different options to customize your pages even more from those sections. My computer is a bit slow, especially when recording videos like this. Yes. Now this was before, and this is now with a change of colors. Obviously this is like a very brief example, but you will have to change this according to your brand. Now if we go back one more time, you have access to all Google fonts, so they have like more than 700 fonts or something, so you have enough. But the good thing about this software is that it is also SEO friendly, meaning that you are able to optimize each page to increase the chances to rank on Google in Google search results. So in the example that we have now, this is a smart wrist band, whatever, and then you can type a description: best smart wrist band for runners and hikers, and put the keyword, so that'll be smart wrist band. I know there's another word for it, I just can't remember it. And then you update, and this will help you rank in Google. You also have the social media, so if you upload a page, an image here, it will show whenever you share a link on social media. So this is all for my, oh no, sorry, I just jumped ship quickly. I wanted to show you the Amazon pages. So if you have an Amazon store, I don't have, do I have one here? Just one second, let's use this. No. Okay, I very briefly, let's run Amazon. Let's take this one. So if you take the link from Amazon and put it here, continue, this will create a new landing page with the details from your Amazon. So if we put 20% off LP, so if you wanted to create a landing page to offer a discount for the people who give you their email address in exchange, you would be able to do this. So here you would activate coupon codes. So listing price would be, I don't know, $34.99. Discount, you don't put any because you will upload your coupon list whenever that charges. Okay, and we selected a I don't want this one. Yeah, okay, let's just, as I was saying earlier, the team at Pagemaker are improving the software on a regular basis, and in fact I think there's an update that's going to roll out on Friday for the user interface, so the way that you see it today might not be the same next week, but yeah, who knows. So now that you have linked your Amazon product page to Pagemaker, you are able to pull the images from the listing itself. So this is what I had found, and now you can change the size of it. So if we want to make it 16, there are different sizes, you have to play around with them. Let's say 60, is it going to be too big? No. So you have to change this, but the good thing is that you can easily get all your images and update the page itself with your details. I'm thinking in the next few weeks they will improve this Amazon import function, and if you look in the link below that says what is it called, feedback, you will see everything that they are currently working on, all the features that have been requested, such as building a sales funnel, so to have multi-step, to be able to have upsells and downsells, to be able to have reviews and all of that. So they are working on it. I think it's a very good work in progress, and it's a good platform to use if you are just starting out with your online presence and want to get out slowly of the Amazon ecosystem. So for those of you who are doing just that, who want to start their online presence, if you click the link, one of the link below, I will give you 3 bonuses that will help you get started with building your audience outside of Amazon, that will help you optimize your landing page for SEO, and will give you some ideas on what to create to increase your sales without having to order or create new product on Amazon. So click the link below, and if you get the email, you will receive a discount code for when you sign up to the platform, so you can save more money and enjoy the platform even more. So this is it for me now. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any comments, just leave them down in the comment section below. I will get back to you, and any feedback is always welcome. And until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye.